Hello artists, Antic here. I thought I would share some of my two recent orders. These were both made in January, but they're brand new to me now. So I thought I would share what I got. I got one order from my favourite things, and then I got a Hero Arts order. So let's start with the my favourite things one. So first of all, I wanted to get my stash, or add to my stash. So I got the Snow Cone heavyweight cardstock, and I really like their cardstock. It's a 100-pound weight, and therefore it's really great for backgrounds as well as anything else, it's card bases or whatever. Beautiful soft blue. And then I got the smooth white heavyweight cardstock, and that is 110. And I use that for my card bases really. 110. Oh, sorry about the glare. Awesome cardstock, love it. And then got some of the newer things in January. And first of all, I decided to finally get my hands on this stamp set that is called My Favorite Things in Paris. I just love these little, the Eiffel Tower is just so pretty. I mean, look at that dog, such a cutie. I've been wanting that for some time, so I grabbed that along with the dies. And then I finally bought this one, the Wonky Stitches Oval dies. I've been wanting these for quite some time, so I thought I gotta have it. So I got it. And then I ordered this new stamp set. I just love these things, they're so funny. And it's called Good Time to Wine. And this here, will always be partners in wine. Birthdays are a good time to wine. And I'm with you every sip of the way. It's so funny, I love this. Friends don't let friends wine alone, love that. And rosé all day. So many fun puns in here, I really like that. And along with that, I got the wine glass die, and I decided to get the what do you call these? Shaker pouches, excellent. And they fit nicely, and so I can quite the shaker cards. And I got 2 packages, so looking forward to give it a go. And since I ordered, my order came to $60 or more, I got this as a freebie, and it's called Best Wishes. I really like that, be great on any kind of card. So I'm really happy with that. And that's the favorite things. And now let's get to the Hero Arts order. Now, first of all, I've got 2 packages of the layering paper in white, and these are great just for stamping, die cutting and layering all sorts. Really like this, so I've got 2 packages of those. And then I needed another paper pad for my MISTI, so I got that, and I finally got the Mousepad Insert. I really like that because it's easy to clean and it's a bit of squishy wushy. Got those. And then I got this pretty stamp set, which is called, oh god, I don't have my glasses on to see it. Lucky Star, I believe. But I'll have everything linked down below, so if I make a mistake, I'll just give you the right link. I really like this little girl and boy image, and then 2 together. Beautiful things like the sky is not the limit if you're reaching beyond the stars. You're my lucky star. You never cease to amaze and shine bright. And I decided to get the dies as well. Just a cute stamp set. And the whole reason for my order was because I really want to get my hands on the January kit. So let's have a look, shall we? So this is the biggest reason why I got it, and I love that you always get the ribbon. Adding to my little ribbon stash, and these stamps are absolutely gorgeous. I just love them. And I love that with this kit you get the stamp and the dies, and these are so pretty. See, look at something white so you can see the back images better. There we go. These are just so fun and pretty. Just love all these little flowers and the bicycle. It's just beautiful. I know it's a Valentine's themed kind of a stamp set, but I don't do many Valentine's cards, or any really, but I thought these would be great for any kind of celebration, so that's why I just had to have it. And as I said, you got the get dies along with it. Beautiful background dies and those flowers, so no fussy cutting needed. And in this month's kit, I've also got a bunch of other things. You get this pink glimmer lacquer pen. You hope to use that like to add dimension to those flowers and bits. And then you get these stickers called You Are Loved, and then these flower pots ones. It would be great to close envelopes and stuff. And along with it you get a bunch of vellum envelopes. Oh, I love these. I'm sure these would be great if you want to seal these. You've got fun. You get a bunch of those. Awesome. And then you get several card bases as well. You get them in light pink, and then you get them in red as well. They're in tiny kind of colours, but like I said, you can use these for anything. So this stamp set is really nice. I really like that. So I've had plenty of stamps to work with, and I guess I better get cracking, shan't I? Thanks for watching. Bye.